Here I have iPad Pro 4th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and when you adjust the normal photo mode, all you need to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So as you can see right now I'm taking burst shot. Took like 18 photos. To review them, just open gallery, tap select, and here you can see all of these burst photos which you took right now, and here you can select like which photo fits you and which is not. You can like delete the ones that you don't need and leave the ones that you like. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.